Hey everyone, welcome back to Finance Frontier, where we break down the most crucial financial news you need to know. Today, we've got something big to discuss, the September jobs report. Why? Well, because it might just change the entire outlook on the US economy for 2024. From the Federal Reserve's next move to Wall Street's reaction, let's dive in. This September report took a lot of people by surprise. Nobody expected the labor market to stay this strong for this long. Unemployment held steady at 3.8%, while payrolls surged by 336,000 jobs. Yes, you heard that right. Economists were predicting a slowdown, but that number blew expectations out of the water. So, what does this all mean? Are we headed for a no-landing scenario, where the economy keeps chugging along without the recession that many feared? Let's talk about how this affects the Federal Reserve's plan to engineer a so-called soft landing, bringing inflation down without crashing the economy. Recent reports show the Fed might be closer to pulling it off than anyone thought possible. It's the economic equivalent of threading a needle. The Fed has been raising interest rates aggressively for over a year now, but this jobs report is a sign that maybe, just maybe, they've found the sweet spot. Inflation is cooling down, but the economy is still growing, especially the labor market. Now let's flip the coin and talk about Wall Street's reaction, specifically the bond market. With these strong employment numbers, bond traders are starting to buckle up for what's being called a no-landing scenario. What does that mean for investors? Well, a strong economy is typically good news, but for bond traders, it raises the question, will the Fed keep interest rates higher for longer to avoid overheating the economy? Remember, this jobs report doesn't just affect the stock market or the Fed, it affects you. More jobs mean more opportunities for workers, but also higher interest rates on things like mortgages and credit cards. It's a double-edged sword. So, is the US economy really heading for a soft landing? Right now, the data looks promising, but keep in mind, this is uncharted territory. The next few months will be crucial. Will the Fed manage to balance everything perfectly, or are we in for some turbulence? Stay tuned to Finance Frontier for more updates on this developing story. And as always, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on future videos. Thanks for watching.